Hi guys, this is a short tutorial to get the new product of Dyslexie Font, which is the text editor and the Chrome extension, and how you can register as a home user. So let's go to the website, which is dyslexiefont.com, and well, I'm just going to show you how to order. There's an order button here, but as well get it now. There are a few, so we go there. And basically what you have to do is select what you are. As I said, it's for a home user for now. So you select home user, select your country you're from, the amount of users you wish to, and basically here we have a few options. So I'm gonna order straight away the free trial version, and it basically includes the light version of the text editor and a 1 month free usage of the Chrome extension. You can purchase them as well for a year, and you get a third product for free. Here you see the discount. Make sure, some of you make some mistake, that the text editor full version is an online editor. If you wish to use the font in, for example, Word of Microsoft or Excel or Outlook, or on your Mac with your writing programs, please select the typeface regular or typeface full version. Full version includes as well bold, bold italic, and italic. Okay, though. So now text editor for now, the free trial. We're gonna press next step. Of course, you fill out all the form. You accept the license agreement and you press checkout. Well, of course I did that. If you did properly, you get this like your free order is successfully completed. And together with that, there comes an email with your personal credentials. So there's a URL where you can go to log in to the backend. Your username is your email address, and we provide you with a password. You can change it always, but we're just going to provide you with one. So I already copy pasted that one, and I press login. And basically what you can see here is on the left side the two products, Chrome extension and the online editor, what will be shown in another video how to use it. And if you scroll down, you will see Dyslexie Font. Go to the downloads, but we did not order it, so you have to upgrade it. And if you do, you can basically select what you wish in the backend as well. Go to the next step, and you can basically confirm here, and you go to the payment page. There are some other features like you can edit your credentials if you wish, customer details here, renew once the year is over, or cancel your license and we won't be bothering you anymore. We're really going to delete you out of the system. So that's it for now. Hope it was clear, and I'm going to show you some more videos about Chrome extension and online editor in another video. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.